Hi YouTube! Thanks for tuning in on a rather different video from us. With the stay-at-home order and the Dalgona coffee trending, we as coffee connoisseurs had to try this. First, you'll need to gather a few simple tools and ingredients. If you don't have an electronic mixer, this could be achieved the old school way too. We use Nescafe instant coffee since that's what we have at the moment. We typically like our coffee beans grounded with our other coffee machine, but this method allows for the coffee to be creamy with a whipped appearance. Next, we add our ingredients along with some hot water into our bowl and blend. The dark coffee mixture will turn lighter and foamier as you continue mixing. Soon enough, you'll find that it's no longer a liquid texture, and you are done once soft peaks are formed. It's that easy. Spoon into your favorite glass over your milk or non-milk alternative. We're using soy milk and a few ice cubes for a cafe-like experience. Stir and enjoy this fluffy coffee version that'll keep you wondering if you're actually having dessert instead.